Good morning, boys and girls. I'm Miss Bragg. We're going to work on Phonics Lesson 121, the worksheet. You should have already watched the lesson video talking about the dropping rule. And when we add a suffix, there are certain rules of dropping the E or not. So let's look at our worksheet, and they have reminded us of a few of these rules. So it says at the top, to begin with, we're going to make one check mark if the root word ends with a silent E. Then we're going to make a check mark if the suffix is a vowel suffix. The next rule will say if you have two check marks, you're going to drop that silent E before adding the suffix. If you have 0 or 1 check mark, you will just add the suffix. So let's get started and see how this works. All right, so the first word, you have slide plus ing. We need to add ing to the word slide. So our rule says that if it has a silent E at the end, we're going to make a check mark, and it does. We're also going to make a check mark if the suffix is a vowel suffix, and this one is. It has a vowel right here, so yes. So then it tells you that if you see two check marks, you will drop the silent E and then add the suffix. So let's do that on the line. We will now have slide, drop the E, and add ing, and that's your new word. Okay, let's look at the next one. We have fade. Does it have a silent E? Yes, it does, right here. So we make a check mark. Does it have a vowel suffix? No, it does not. It has a consonant suffix. It does not start with a vowel, so we will not make a check mark. And then we're just going to put those two parts together. So we have fadeless. You will not drop the silent E. Next word, nicest. It has a silent E, so check mark. And our suffix starts as a vowel, so check mark. And so on this word, drop your silent E and add EST. Next word, you have voter. You have a silent E right there. And you have a suffix, a vowel suffix, so check mark. So we will write vote, drop the E, silent E in vote, and then just add ER suffix. Next, you have slimy, slimy. So you have a silent E, check mark, and Y is going to be a vowel in this, so check mark. New word, slimy. Next word, spending, spending. You do not have a silent E, so no check mark. You do have a vowel suffix, so check mark. So on this one, you will just put the two parts together and add the suffix. Last one, you have a silent E, so check mark, and you do not have a vowel suffix, so you will just put your suffix at the end of ripe. Okay, that is all. So you're going to flip your paper over. You're going to do the back side on your own and turn it into your teacher. I hope you have a wonderful day.